I'm going to show you all the different areas that I use in my home office, from the technology stuff that I have to the different little zones that I've set up for flow and creativity and productivity. This is the office space that I use for my online coaching business and to create content for social media and as a new YouTuber. First thing I'll show you is I have a standing desk that I absolutely love. It's electric. Can move it down like this and back up. I pretty much always have it at this height because I rarely ever sit. I do have a chair right here. Most of the time I put my leg up like this and like stretch while I'm like typing away at my keyboard. All right, back to the desk. This desk is awesome because it's electric. It's a glass top, which is like nice for cleaning. And it has a drawer. So check this out. I've got like notepads in there, and I have a pen, lip balm, of course, papers that I need to organize. Then the computer I have is an iMac 2021. It's in the light pink color, and it has the light pink keyboard. I like how it sounds. My wireless mouse. This is one of my absolute favorite things ever on my desk. It's a magnetic phone charger. Check this out. I have a magnetic phone case, and you just boop, pop it on just like that. I love being able to access both my phone and computer at the same time. This used to be a candle lid that I repurposed into a coaster. Love it. Here's my printer. It's a Canon Pixma. It works well. I like it. This is currently the only tripod I have right now. I really kind of do need another one, but this is the main tripod that I use when I'm making videos. If I use it at all, sometimes I just simply hold my phone, set it up like this. This is adjustable, so you can do vertical or horizontal videos. You just loosen this up and then you can change how it's set up. I just like it because it's super easy to use. This is where I will film a lot of my YouTube videos or create other content like for my online courses or things like that. So I use this tripod. I set it up just like this. This is the phone that I film on. It's an iPhone 15 Pro. Right now I'm using my old iPhone to film this video. Using my arm because I don't have another tripod, but I literally, like, I just set it up like this and I sit at my table, and then that way, like, I have a nice background of the plant, and I just use the natural light coming in from the window. This is my cozy corner where I sit when I want to like journal or do like really deep work that is not on my computer. And I have a little ritual to like get myself into the flow. So let me show you what that is. The first thing I do is I get a candle going. So right now, my favorite candle is Leaves from Bath & Body Works. Best fall smell ever. Then I get a cup of tea. This is my favorite mug I use, like when I really want to get into the flow, smell my candle, and just like love my life. I love this mug. There's a butterfly on the inside. Right now I'm super into this vanilla chai. Then I get my Better Life journal. I love this journal. This is from Dean Graziosi. I've already filled up these two. The marigold beige one. Now I'm on the maroon. And then I work like this. This is my absolute favorite chair. It's from IKEA. It also comes with a footstool, but I am not using it right now because I was sick of tripping over it. This is like the most ergonomic chair ever. It is so comfortable. I love it. This is totally my aesthetic. I love black and white and like natural color wood. This chair is like seriously the best. This is my favorite chair to read in when it's too cold to sit outside on my porch. If you've made it this far into the video, drop your favorite emoji in the comments below, because that'll be like our little secret. Then I'll know that you're the kind of person who likes to get a tour of other people's houses and stuff and look inside their drawers, because I am not afraid to admit that I love that. I love watching videos like that where people just like show me what their real life looks like. And I would love to know, what is your favorite thing about your own office? Like, is it a certain kind of computer you have, or a certain little gadget, or a certain little cozy area that you've created? I would love to know in the comments. Like, I'm always looking for ideas of how to constantly improve my own home office so that I don't get sick of being here and making it a place that I actually like love being and love working in. So let's chat. And if you feel like you're on the same wavelength, the same vibe as me, you might want to consider subscribing and maybe watching another video on my channel. See you next time. Bye.